Unlock the secret to transforming ordinary skies into breathtaking golden hour masterpieces, all within Lightroom's free tools. Today, we're going from this to this, mimicking that magical sunset glow without ever needing to reshoot. First, let's open our image in Lightroom and head straight to the basic panel. To infuse warmth, we'll shift our white balance, drag the temperature slider significantly to the right, introducing those beautiful orange tones. Next, subtly nudge the tint slider little to the right as well, adding a touch of magenta to complement the warmth. Now, let's refine those colors with the color mixer panel to target the sky specifically. Within the color mixer, find the orange and yellow hues. We'll adjust their hue slightly towards red to deepen the sunset effect. Next, boost the saturation of both the orange and yellow channels to really make those golden tones pop. Finally, for luminance, slightly decrease the luminance of both orange and yellow. This creates a richer, more intense golden color in our sky. And there you have it, a captivating golden hour sky, transformed using only Lightroom's free tools. Experiment with these adjustments to bring a touch of magic to all your landscape photos.